Okay, here's another drawing exercises to help us draw through observation and develop our hand-eye coordination. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a modified contour line drawing of an object. And we're going to keep our object right now as a crumpled up piece of paper. So what is modified contour line drawing? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to be looking at our object 50% of the time at object, and then 50% of the time at our paper. Okay, so we're going to not only look at our object but also at our paper. Okay, blind, we just kept our eye on the object. This time we're going to constantly switch your eye from object to the paper. Okay, and we're going to create contour lines. So we're going to create smooth lines that distinguish planes, edges, and detail of the object. Oops. Okay, so let's get our object. I'm going to start out with a crumpled up piece of paper, just like I did last time. Place it. Now my view is a little bit different than your view. Okay, but what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start at one spot and I'm going to take my eye along that edge and also show any detail. Anywhere where I see this change in plane, okay, I'm going to draw that with a smooth line. Okay, so I'm just going to slowly start drawing. If I see a little bump, I'm going to draw that as well. Kind of comes down a little bit. It goes here, and it goes up. So I want you to slow yourself down with this. A lot of times we want to just draw lines like this, okay? I want you to actually focus and concentrate. Try to draw exactly what you see, any detail, any change in direction. But you notice how when I'm doing this, I'm also looking back here at my paper. I'm comparing where a line ends to something that maybe I have drawn already to help with the proportion. Again, this is something that's a little bit more organic, that's going to be helpful for this exercise. Once you've done this piece of paper that's crumpled up, why don't you try something a little bit more complex, such as an object that you might find in your house. Sorry. Sometimes it's hard to talk and concentrate on my line drawing. I notice that over here I have these details. I'm going to draw that in. trying to be as accurate as I can and really just focusing on all the detail and the curves. Once you've tried that one, go ahead and find a more complex object maybe in your house, maybe such as scissors, or maybe some kind of string or lanyard.